What is good, people? Is the Ramsky back? HTML tutorial. It's been a long hiatus. Spent most of my time in these past, I'd say, 6 months. It's been 5 or 6 months. With I was busy with school and work, but now got a little bit of free time, so I'm going to start back up on making the videos again with whatever time I may have, but really want to start making videos again, and we are back with the HTML tutorial. In the past, we did the video example, how to integrate multimedia into a web page with the new HTML5 element, the video tag, but there is also the audio tag, which is obviously to display audio on your web page, which is what we got here. Once again, just a refresher, this is the main template. Once again, if you go back through my videos, the very first one I think is about the basic template for an HTML5 document. So, if you don't know the basics, I suggest going back through and watching them. So, as always, basic template, and then within the body tag we have the heading, which is audio example, which is what this is, and then we have the audio element. Very similar to the video element, I have the controls attribute, which is set to controls to display the basic controls for the audio tag. When we get started talking about JavaScript, which I'm not sure when, but we will eventually get there, we will discuss how to use some of the events that go along with the audio tag and the video tag as well. But within the audio tag, we specify the source tag just like the video tag, and we specify the source attribute where exactly is the file and the type of file that we are expecting. And as you can see, we're expecting an MP3 file. So if we go to the folder where this is contained, I have a lot of folders up. That is not the right one. Where is it? Right here. In the YouTube folder, we have the audio.html file, which is the file name for this document. The source is specified as audio / I'm pretty sure that's a / podcast.mp3. Look for the audio folder, go into it, and there's the podcast.mp3 file. Now, if you're not sure how to set up the file path, I also have a video for that. I'm not going to refresh on that, but there is a video, I believe it's in images and addresses, or addresses, whichever one you prefer. But there is the file right there. And the type, there are many types that you can have for audio. That's what the web page looks like. But if you go to our good friend W3 Schools, which actually they actually changed their website a little bit, but if you go to their HTML, where is it? That's video. There's video. We want the audio, but there are many different browser support. Like I said, this is a very helpful tool when you're designing for web pages, but it talks about the 3 different types of audios that the HTML audio element supports. MP3, which is actually supported by all of the browsers, so that's why I chose MP3. Then you got WAV and then OGG, which they're not supported by all browsers. So, and it also gives you the type, stuff like that, and you could use those types if you're converting your audio between files. But we're going to go stick with MP3 because it's supported by all the browsers. So once you run this, and since I'm using Notepad++ here, I'll go ahead and exit that so we could run it from here, run in Internet Explorer. We got it. Allow block content, and
Hello.
you
My
go
name
ahead
is
and play it.
Jared Rummel.
I'm not going to play
I
the
would
whole
like to work
thing.
for clients who are looking.
That's just my elevator speech for a class, or for school, or for whatever you want to call it. Anyways, that is how you integrate audio into your web pages. Hope this was helpful. In the next video, we will be discussing. What will we be discussing? We will be discussing special entity characters in the next video, which will actually be a short video because I'm not going to name all the special characters that you can have on a page. I'll just include some of the most common ones. So, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.